And welcome back everybody to Dad Style Cooking. This is Tim, and today we are going to make some beef stroganoff. So first up, why don't you go ahead and pause that video right about now, get all your ingredients ready, and let's get ready to start cooking. Let's start with our ribeye steak. We're going to get some nice thin slices right here, and we can just turn these on the side. Nice little slice down the middle. That's going to give us some nice thin strips of steak. Next to our purple onion, same thing. Cut about half of it with some nice thin strips. Take those, get them ready for the pan. Get that stove going. Bring the pan back to the stove. Let's add our mushrooms and onions. Our pan already has a little garlic oil in it. And we're going to toss these. Cook them down maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Then remove the mushrooms and onions, and then add our steak. So we're going to cook our steak down about a minute here, just so it starts to brown. Then we'll add ourselves a little salt and pepper. Okay, nice little toss right here. We'll cook it down a minute and add a couple squirts of the Worcestershire sauce. Next up comes your stone ground mustard, half a cup of your beef stock, and we'll give that a nice good stir. Then we'll bring our mushrooms and onions back to our mixture, mix it all up nice and good. Everything's mixed up, and in comes our 1.5 cups of sour cream. Same thing, mix it all together so it's nice and thoroughly cooked. Give you a little slow motion action of tossing our sauce right here. And next up comes our pasta. Mix our pasta around, give it a nice good coating. Make sure it's all mixed together. And throw it in a bowl, a little bit of parsley on top, and you are ready to enjoy. And thank you all for joining us today. Hit that like and subscribe for more future videos.